Oh, I love to play, and I'm gonna go slide on that slide over there. It looks so much fun. And then I'm gonna go play that dollhouse. Ouch! Ouch! Ow! Oh, my aching horn. It's not straight. I need Doc. Doc! Doc McStuffins! Oh. Doc McStuffins, I hurt my horn. I was sliding and I fell. You know, Stuffy is always so clumsy. What are you gonna do with him? Doc, I think that Fun Kid Club just called me clumsy. Well, Doc, you and I both know that he is. You fix his crooked horn? Okay, kids, come back for our opening video and let's find out how Doc McStuffins fixes Stuffy's horn and what's going to be her diagnosis. Everybody put in the comments below what the diagnosis will be and we'll see who's right. Thanks for coming to play at Fun Kid Club, where we make Play-Doh fun every day.